When it comes to CRM software for SMBs, two popular options often come up in discussions: Salesflare and SugarCRM. But which one is actually better when it comes to customization? Stick around to find out, because I'm about to break down the differences, and you might be surprised by the conclusion. Let's start with Salesflare. One of the things that really stands out with Salesflare is its simplicity. It's designed to be a fully automated CRM with minimal manual input needed from the user. This means customization options are a bit more limited compared to other CRMs. You can adjust the layout of the dashboard, tweak some fields, and customize your pipelines, but it's all pretty straightforward and less flexible when it comes to deep customization. This makes it ideal for smaller businesses or those looking for something that's easy to set up and use, but not the best for companies needing a high degree of tailoring. Next thing, let's talk about SugarCRM. SugarCRM, on the other hand, is known for its flexibility and extensive customization options. You can fully customize fields, layouts, and workflows, even with the basic edition. But that flexibility comes at a cost. The learning curve with SugarCRM is steeper, and the interface isn't as user-friendly as Salesflare. For SMBs, it can feel overwhelming, and the price can add up quickly, especially if you need to access advanced features. So, while you get more customization, you're going to spend more time and possibly money to make it work for you. The third thing to consider is integrations. Both Salesflare and SugarCRM offer a wide range of third-party integrations, but Salesflare makes it a bit easier with automated data syncing from apps like Google Workspace, Office 365, and more. Customizing these integrations is straightforward, but it's still more limited than what SugarCRM can do. SugarCRM is really strong in this department if you need deeper, more complex integrations. You can build custom modules and workflows to fit your exact needs, but it's something that will require a technical team or a developer if you want to unlock its full potential. Next up, let's talk about pricing. Salesflare offers more of a predictable pricing model with a clear per-user price that's easy to scale as your business grows. But SugarCRM's pricing is more tiered and can get expensive depending on the level of customization you need. SMBs might feel the pinch with SugarCRM when they start adding on advanced features or enterprise-level customizations. If you're a smaller business looking for something that won't break the bank, Salesflare is likely the better option. The fourth thing, and it's a big one, is the support you get. Salesflare has a great support team, and while their customization is somewhat limited, they're known for helping you make the most of their system. SugarCRM, on the other hand, offers extensive support for developers and businesses that want to get very hands-on with customization. However, if you don't have the technical expertise, it can be hard to get the most out of it. For SMBs that want quick, reliable support without the need for an expert on the team, Salesflare support is a huge plus. Finally, here's the bottom line. Both Salesflare and SugarCRM are solid choices depending on your business needs, but when it comes to customization, it's clear that SugarCRM offers more flexibility, even though it comes with its own challenges. That said, after trying both myself, I found that there's an even better alternative for SMBs looking for a CRM that offers customization without the complexity of SugarCRM or the limitations of Salesflare. If you're looking for a CRM solution that's both customizable and easy to use, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description for a free trial. You'll get the best exclusive trial benefits only available to our viewers, so don't miss out.